want to teach you how to be a quality burper. You know what's a quality burper? Burpers? What we do after eating. Okay, now to have a good champion burper, you need to do 2 trainings. But before I tell you that, let me show you the super burp without the trainings. Too good, na? Now I'll show you the mega infinite burp with the training. What a rush. Anyways, guys, you saw the training. Now look at the burp.